This model kit review is of the Volkswagen Beetle. This is the new Beetle, and it is a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya, and shows you the picture of the model. There's another option. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, here we have our wheels, which are nicely molded, fair amount of detail. Inside of these screws here. So first of all, we have our wheels. I much prefer this type of chrome. This is actually nicely painted. Usually I'd have to remove the chrome. Here are our lights and the insignia, and here we have our cockpit tub with the doors already put on there. Here we have our seats and our dashboard, and we have the panels, wheels, control, our steering wheel column, and so on. It's all very nicely molded. A lot of detail, no flashing, no mold lines. We do have some decals here, nicely printed, and our main body, little mold lines here or there, but otherwise very good quality. Here we have our cockpit glass. Now we do also, it's interesting, have some painting masks. Those are always nice. Here's our chassis, a lot of detail here on the chassis. Here's our engine molded in. And we have our suspension and the different four corners. Here's the other side of the suspension. Our steering arm there, brakes, exhausts. So, fair amount of detail here actually, and it's all very well molded. Let's have a look at our instructions. So we start off with the suspension there, and that goes onto the the exhaust goes on, as well as the drivetrain for the engine. Front suspensions then all put onto the chassis, and the rear suspensions then built as well as those corners. Wheels and tires go on. Then we put the instrument panel dashboard together. The interior is then painted and built, and seats go on. That's then all put on the chassis. And then we shows you how to put the masks on. So we put on the hood and the windshields, all the windows, and the main body is then put on. All those little pieces are put on as well. And then there's the painting and decal guide. So all in all, fairly detailed model, very well molded, typical Tamiya quality.